The S&P and the Nasdaq coming off their best day since November of last year. The Dow coming off what was its worst week in 2 years. Of course, concerns over tariffs continue to drive increased volatility and a lot of what has been that downward motion of late. Thomas Peterffy is Interactive Brokers founder and chairman. He joins us now to weigh in. Tom, Mr. Peterffy, as I like to call you, what are you seeing out there right now in terms of?
My friends call me Tomas.
Tomas, yeah, there you go. That's better. Right. Tomas, what is driving, in your opinion, right now, sort of sentiment amongst the investor base, certainly that uses your platform, for example?
Well, the issue is that just not quite a month ago, our customers were up over 6% for the year, and today they are down 2% for the year. So that's quite a turnaround. And obviously, I think it is caused not as much by the tariff talk, but simply stocks have just gone too high. The P's were almost to 30. Now they are back to 28. I think they could come down a little bit more. And also, our customers were basically very heavy in NVIDIA and Tesla, which were the two highest holdings, followed by Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Google. So these are the big tech stocks. On the other hand, I think that what we're getting out of artificial intelligence is just absolutely amazing. It is getting very substantially better every month. So if you are using AI, you can see that very, very rapid improvement in that. And so that's quite breathtaking.
Actually, since you raised it, I'm curious. I assume you are using it in your business. That's firsthand that you're sharing that. Give us some sense as to how you're using it and what you're referring to when you see these sort of gains that you're talking about.
Well, just any area you want to explore, you start a conversation, and suddenly you're talking to an entity that knows a lot more about anything than you do. It's just quite amazing to me. It is just breathtaking. So if anybody out there is not using it, I think you're missing out.
Do you think it's going to change the way that people invest and the edge that retail traders can have over institutional?
Absolutely. You discover connections that you haven't thought of before. So it's just, I'm just completely amazed by it.
Tomas, a couple of months ago, I think you were flagging that margin borrowing among your customers was at a record. Now, the stock market value was also at an all-time record. So I don't know if that felt like it was excessive to you. But where does that stand right now, and where does it appear we are in this sort of reduction in risk process?
So we had at the high point we had 66 billion in margins. And that was about a month ago, and now it's down to 63. So it's a 5% drop. It's not really a lot, right? Because the market has, I said, dropped 8% over that period of time, and loans only dropped 5%. So if there is anything, more money may come out of margins.
What do you make of retail engagement with the market down? I mean, we saw so many, the retail traders coming in, buying the dips as the market was going higher. If we are in for a more pronounced slowdown, what does that look like to you? Do you think that some of those retail traders will drop out?
Well, some of them always drop out, but I think the winners will be the ones that hold on. And so. Look, if you look at the economy, we have IBK, our forecast trader, right, where we are getting more and more of a sense, and our customers get a sense of what people are thinking, and there are roughly there is an expectation of 30% probability that there'll be a recession by the second quarter. So, and you know, there are these tariff issues, but obviously we have a huge, we have $2 trillion of debt and another $1 trillion of trade deficit. And we have, Trump has 2 years to do something about it because according to IBKR forecast trader, traders believe that there is a 65% chance that the Democrats will take over the House in 26. So, you know, Trump has to hurry up and he will break some things in the course, but he have to do it. This is our only chance.
Tomas, always appreciate your taking some time. Thank you.